Hey guys, money from YouTube Shorts, is that possible? That's the big question. I'm going to show you proof right now that someone is making millions of dollars per month. But before we start, welcome to my YouTube channel where we teach you how to make money online. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy, just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Before we go to the website, you first need to set up and have your very own PayPal account. So head on over to paypal.com and set up an entirely free account by clicking this button over here. Just provide the needed details and log into your very own PayPal account. If you don't want that option or don't want to do that, you can set up your own bank account online by searching the Google online bank accounts in my country and sign up for an entirely free account on the online banking website. If you're like me and you don't want to wait, then keep watching this video. I will show you how you can get paid right now, like YouTube. Yes, YouTube. You've never heard of this before. This is completely free, no social media following is required, no skills, no experience, and it doesn't matter where you are coming from. And yes, I said it per month from YouTube Shorts, so we are YouTube. And all I have to do is search shorts, and that's going to pull up the short shelf. Okay, and that's what it's called, the short show. And as you can see here, there are people getting millions upon millions of views, 300,000 views, 100,000 views. And if we scroll down, the news just keeps going on and on and on. Now, if we look at this particular shorts in this channel right here, over 6 million views. And they've uploaded just one day ago now. I want to show you how they are making millions of dollars. If we go here to socialblade.com, we can go ahead and verify how much they're making. And as you can see right here on a monthly basis, they're earning anywhere from this amount of thousands of dollars, millions of dollars. Now, even if we say it's somewhere down the middle, that's still millions of dollars per month in preview. They're earning over $1 million potentially, which is pretty crazy for you to channel. Now, these numbers are obviously pretty accurate, because the CPM is based on 4 to 5 cents to $4, which is a very, very low CPM. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started with making money from YouTube Shorts today. Now before I get started and showing you the exact steps on how to make money from YouTube Shorts today, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm to see if this video could get 2,000 likes by the end of this week. Let's go ahead and jump into the exact step-by-step strategy. Let's go ahead and jump into it. We're going to go over here YouTube, and we're going to search hashtag shorts plus fitness, and that's going to pull up all of the shorts videos that are about fitness, and we're going to see how many views these sports videos are getting. As you can see right here, 3.6 million, this one uploaded 3 months ago, this one 5 months ago, and if you scroll down, 11 million views just 5 months ago. So this is actually the niche that not a lot of people are taking advantage of with YouTube. But it's one of the biggest niches here on YouTube, which is fitness, because obviously there are a lot of people who want to get fit for the summer. They want to have healthy bodies and they want to learn how they can build muscle or just lose fat. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started in this niche that's Untapped YouTube Shorts and how you can start potentially earning from it without Google Ads revenue. What from other monetization sources? Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into it. Now the very first thing you need to do is pick the niche. And I already chose that for you. Now the second thing we need to do is to go to a search, an article that's going to give us content. It's going to give us content that we're going to create for this short video. Now on this website, I basically looked at the best 6 exercises to grow your biceps. This is a very popular search term here on YouTube. People learn how to grow their arms, get through their biceps, that sort of thing, especially men. Okay, now if you scroll down, there are 6 different types of moves and we're going to go ahead and utilize them. Okay, so easy bar curls, preacher curls, dumbbell curls, concentration curls, and real curls. So we're going to use some of those. And what I did was I searched up dumbbell curls and I found a bunch of images that we could go ahead and use this image right here. I just downloaded this image to my computer. Then I searched for curls and I found this image. I liked it. And it will fit into mobile stuff. So I went ahead and saved this one here. And then I looked up another one, which is concentration pills, and I found a picture of Arnold himself doing concentration curls. So 3 different bicep variations. Now we're going to make a short video that's educational that we watch all the way through, because it's teaching them something, especially if they're looking on how to build their biceps or grow bigger arms. So I saved 3 photos, and then I went over here to Canada.com and our search mobile video created a blank mobile video template right here. press plus. And that's going to open it up right here. Okay, so I went ahead and dragged those images into here, all 3 of them, and you can size them appropriately. If you guys have enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. You can size them like this. I went ahead and made the background black. As you can see right here, so it has a nice black background. Then you can press animate on this photo right here and go to photos, and that's going to make it kind of pan out, look nice, kind of like a video, even though it's just an image. So that's very helpful that we could add text to it. Okay, we could add some text and obviously, so it will show through. As you can see, 3 exercises for 20 inches arms. I went ahead and added that in there. Number 1, and then we can move on to the next. Number 2 will be cable curl. And number 3 will be concentration curl. So that's very cool. I said that YouTube sports video basically 5 seconds long in each clip. So it's 15 seconds long, which is perfect length for each shorts video. And all I had to do was drag and drop the image in here, add some clips. Click on the image, add photos you want each one of them. And now it's like a video, and I'm going to go ahead and press play. So you can see what it looks like right here. So this is the video, and it looks very nice. And then it does a little transition, boom, into cable curls, and then into the last transition into concentration curl. So now we have a cool YouTube Shorts video that's also teaching people and educating people when they're going to want to watch all the way through, which is the whole point of YouTube Shorts. And that is to have the user wanting all the way through the whole video. So now what we can do is go ahead and download this video to our computer, which we'll upload later to our channel, but we're going to download it for now. And now we have to monetize this video because Google or YouTube doesn't pay out Google ad revenue to Shorts just yet. So right now, as you're watching this video, maybe they changed the rules, but for now, you're not able to monetize these videos by Google AdSense. So what we can do is monetize by a product. So what I did was I went over to clickbank.com and I searched up Biceps, and basically clickbank.com is an affiliate network with a bunch of different products that you can promote, and they have digital products like this one. I searched for Biceps and they have multiple ones in here. So if we scroll down, we can see, this one right here with this title. And if we scroll down below, there are more of those weight gain and weight loss blueprints and products about how to build muscle. So they have one up here. This one, which I will select to. We're going to go ahead and go with this one and just like it. It's a $1.30 commission. So for each person that purchases this product through your special link, you're going to earn $1.30. So this is easily doable, especially if your YouTube Shorts videos are getting millions of views or even hundreds of thousands of views. You can definitely make $500, maybe even $1,000 per day simply promoting an affiliate product with your shorts. Okay, so you're going to press promote. You're going to grab your link, you're going to get your special link, and then what are you going to do? So we're going to grab our link, then we're going to go over to YouTube upload that YouTube Shorts, and you can say 3 ways to grow your arms, #shorts. Okay, and then in the description, you have the secret blueprint for your building muscle mass, and then you're going to go ahead and put your ClickBank link right here, which is your affiliate thing. And whoever watches the video and puts a link to, you're going to earn money, and that's it. To get my most recommended way of making money online, click on the link in the description. Thanks for watching.